For you today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a Tuscan Pork Loin. Real easy to do. Perfect dish if you're just starting out. All right, in the bowl, I've got 4 teaspoons of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. And then you just want to basically mix these around until they kind of basically form like a paste. You kind of see it come together here. It'll kind of form a paste, and then we should be ready to move on to our pork loin. Oh, by the way, preheat the oven for about 300, 325. Remember, you want to go low and slow on pork. There's our loin in the baking vessel. Spoon this over. I don't know why I even bothered, because you're going to get dirty. Because you want to rub this all over the loin. And then just pop it in the oven and cook it till it's 165 internally. And we'll see you for the next step. Like I said, this is real easy to do and goes with a lot. All right, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the loin's done. And there it is. Ain't that fucking glorious? Now you can serve this with whatever you like. I think I just went with mashed potatoes. And always cut your meat on an angle, and that's it. Tuscan pork loin. Done. And absolutely delicious. Make sure to check back at 4 o'clock every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for more Dave's Cooking Show.